All right, folks, let's dive into the juicy Apple news buffet that's been dished out today. Apple, that seemingly untouchable titan of tech, has found itself in quite a few headline-grabbing situations, and we're here to serve it all piping hot. First on the menu, we have an in-depth analysis comparing Apple's performance within the technology, hardware, storage, and peripherals industry. Apple's key identifiers show some fascinating trends. The price-to-earnings ratio of 40.8 might indicate undervaluation relative to the industry norm, signaling potential investment values to those hunting for a gem in the stock market rivers. However, their high price-to-book and price-to-sales ratios suggest that the heat might be turning up, with the market placing a heavy premium on Apple's assets and sales. Even with soaring profitability metrics like their return on equity of 23.83% and an EBITDA leader with $32.5 billion, Apple is lagging in revenue growth, sitting at a humble 6.07% compared to a beefier 21.95% industry average. Basically, they might be driving the Ferrari, but they haven't figured out how to switch it out of second gear just yet. Still, with a stable debt-to-equity ratio, Apple's fortress seems well guarded, albeit looking to expand aggressively in some new directions. Now onto some hedge fund action. The billionaire chapter. Israel Englander, big cheese over at Millennium Management, a fund almost as profitable as my favorite pizza joint, recently decided to trim down his Apple holdings by 90%. That's right, he unloaded 11.5 million shares. Meanwhile, he snagged a major slice of the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, betting on a 180% climb thanks to what some call the Roaring '20s, aka the dance-off between macroeconomic giants and unprecedented productivity booms. Maybe he's got the inside scoop that dancing indexes don't come with cracked iPhone screens. Who's to know? Meanwhile, Apple's Pac-Man approach in China gobbles up talks with Tencent and ByteDance to elevate AI magic on their devices within the Great Firewall. It's strategic, yes. Necessary? Heck yes. Especially when competition in the largest smartphone market makes running with scissors look safe. Local partnerships might help fill the AI gap left by China's OpenAI ChatGPT hurdle. It's more than just surviving. Apple wants to keep thriving. Lastly, Apple and Meta take center stage in a Silicon Valley showdown. Imagine Tim Cook and Mark Zuckerberg at a tech WWE. The current round includes a good old squabble over interoperability demands under EU laws, prompting Apple to cry privacy risk. Meta fires back with the old Apple's exploiting privacy rematch. The news was all, in short, a tale of stocks, strategy duels, and market intrigue. Whether it's playing the stocks game right, trying to stay cozy with global partners, or battling competitors, Apple's in the ring, bright and early, every day. Whether they've got their bite in the right apple is for time to tell. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.